Hello and welcome. Okay, so this is a new series on the FORTRAN programming language. Okay, now FORTRAN programming language is one of the high-level language that is very fast. It was designed for scientific stroke engineering and computation because it deals very well with numbers. Okay, it is so fast that they even compare it with the programming language C++. And if you've been into programming, you know how fast C++ is. Now, apart from that, the Fortran programming language, it's one language that is um, interoperable with Python programming language and also C++, which means you can transform your Python codes down to the Fortran language and vice versa. They can operate together. Okay. Now this is the first video. When you talk about Fortran is actually an acronym. It's an acronym that represents formula translation. That's actually what it means. So this is where the for comes from, and this is where the tran comes from. So we have FORTRAN. It represents formula translation. So in this video, we are going to be looking at how can we install the compiler that is used for the FORTRAN programming language, because FORTRAN is a compiled language. Okay, which means it has to go through compilation steps before the execution step. So we are going to see how we can install the compiler. So for you to install the compiler, first you need to download it. You have to download it from Silverfrost, which is a website. Just go to FORTRAN download, and then they'll take you to Silverfrost FTN 95. That's the compiler we are going to use. It supports compilation of modern FORTRAN down from FORTRAN 95 upwards. So you just have to click on this link to take you to this page. Click on FTN 95 that you have there, and then this is what they have here. They say you can download FTN 95 personal edition from where do we have that? Okay, so just wait for it, and in a while it's going to pop up. It will ask you for installation. In one case it is not asking me okay, yeah, you can do that here. Just click on this and then just wait for a while. It will ask you for you to save the file, so you just have to click on save. In one case I'm not going to do that because I already have the file saved to my system. So once you're done downloading it, next what you need to do is to install the software. Okay, so for you to install it, you go to wherever you have it saved or downloaded to, click on it. They are going to ask you to allow access to the app, and you just have to click on yes. Then it take you to this very part, and then you say next. You accept. This is the only part you have to check. You accept. Yeah, you don't have to install any of this, except you don't have them installed. Then you should go take the last one, or possibly just tick all, and so that you're going to be on the safe side. But if you have them installed already, like in one case I do, so I can't tick any of this, you just click on next and go ahead and install. I'm not going to do that because I already have FORTRAN installed on my system. So we just have to move out of here, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so next, once you're done with that, you have to check for Plateau on your search bar. So you have two of them. You have Plateau, you have Plateau 32. This for 32 bits, and this is for 64 bits. So if you're using 64 bits, you click on this. If you're using 32 bits, you click on this. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pin this to my taskbar, of which I've done that already, so that it's going to give me easy access. So once you click on Plateau, it's going to ask you to create a new file. So it will ask you for a new file. Go ahead and choose free formats FORTRAN file and click on open. Okay, if you notice what we have there, you can actually use this ID for some other languages, C#, C++, assembly language, and so on. So for the next video, we are going to see how we can write our first program, our first FORTRAN program. However, if you don't have a system to make use of, you're using a phone or something, there are online IDs you can make use of. you can search for them. I have one here. This is tutorial points, right, .com to compile FORTRAN online page. All you need to do is just to search for it. You don't have to cram this or try to memorize this link we have. You just search for online FORTRAN ID. Click on the first link that will pop up. You can also click on the second one. Both of them are FORTRAN IDs. They're online IDs. So whenever I'm working online, I try to use this one here. But if it's not working fine for you, you can go ahead and try using this other one here. Let's see. Yeah, you can use this other one here. So all you need to do is to write your code here. So from the next video, I'm going to explain a whole lot of things and how we can write a FORTRAN program. But one thing you have to notice, FORTRAN is not case sensitive, except in one part actually. So that's it guys for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.